Check it out. I got some real stuff. Got real stuff for real people, okay? Got real stuff to say to real people, okay? Before we get into this video, I think I need to address this. Now, don't get offended, okay? Hear me and hear me clear. Don't get offended. Just take what I say and really use it and apply it to your life. Some of y'all are lazy, okay? Some of y'all are lazy. Laziness is your kryptonite. Let me widen this thing up here. Laziness is causing you to not succeed in life. Laziness causes you to really, like, if you really think about it, laziness is your ultimate downfall. Some of you guys want to start a YouTube channel, right? It's not as easy as it seems, but it's not as easy as it looks. Hear me out. Stay woke. Stay woke. But really though, I do want to say this. I told it to my son, and I definitely want to share it to y'all because it's just real talk, man. And when I was telling him, I was like, man, dang, it enlightened me. The Holy Spirit, God, and the devil is real. Okay, there's that thing in your head that causes you to be like, you know what, let me do this. But because you are so lazy, you would rather listen to that person in the back of your mind saying, nah, man, don't do that. Just don't care. Don't do that. You know what I mean? It's you just sit on the couch, watch TV. It's all good. Chill. Sometimes you'll even get ideas just pop out of nowhere. Okay, it'll pop out of nowhere and you'll be like, man, that's a good idea. And then you'll just sit on it and you just be chilling. And then the person in the back of your mind always telling you, maybe you shouldn't do that. Maybe, nah, you can't. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's all good. Chill. I'm here to tell you guys, don't listen to that person. Okay? Stop listening to the devil take over your mind, sitting here telling you to do bad things, sitting here telling you to do things that ain't gonna cause you to succeed. Now, when you start listening to the voice in your head, which is the Holy Spirit, telling you to, man, you know what? Do this. And it's always good, but it takes hard work. It's always hard work. It's always something that's gonna be like, you know what? Dang, it's hard, but you know what I mean? But if you would just do it, if you would just take the steps to actually do it, something good will always happen. I could tell you guys right now, that's why I'm here today. This is why I am here today. This is why the reason why I'm in this situation. This is the reason why my life has gone, man, like some of y'all probably don't even remember me back in the days. I was homeless. I was down in the dumps. I was really just, man, it was bad. It was bad. But I'm here today to tell you guys for real. Listen to the Holy Spirit. Listen to that voice in your head that's telling you to do whatever it is that your heart, you know what I mean, wants to do. Don't listen to the dude that's telling you negative stuff and just really clouding your mind, doubting you, can't, no. You know what I mean? All those just negative words, man, that come to your mind when you actually want to do something, but you got that in the back of your mind stopping you. Like, nah. Take the leap of faith, man. Like, take the leap of faith and just do it. 360 Alright, YouTube, before I actually start cutting, I'm going to comb through the hair. I'm going to be checking for cowlicks, just getting the hair nice and neat, laid down, picked out, just so everything is neat before I start cutting. Alright, you guys, so my client wanted a 1.5 on the top, so I went and grabbed my one guard with the lever open, and I'm going with the grain of the pattern. Now, I'm not going to be digging in right when I set the clipper to his head to go down. I'm just gonna glide the clipper across his head, then work my way down. You never want to dig in, because what you don't want to do is plug your client. So with wavers, we like to keep our crown area a little thicker, but because for some reason when you cut it the same as everything else, the crown tends to get a lot lower. So I got my 2 guard on and with the lever closed, and I'm just going in that pattern, making sure that I go around the cowlick area, making sure I go as slow as possible. That way I don't plug my client. Alright, so next step after cutting everything down, I like to do a brush session for my clients to let them know that I got him. I know his pattern. You know, I'm brushing it, making sure that everything is laid down, everything is laid in place. And this definitely puts the client at ease, knowing that you're brushing in the right direction. And also you're just helping the waves form better. So right now, I'm going to set in my first guideline, which is the bald line, using my Endless Cordless T outliner, and I'm just going to set it straight down. I'm not putting any curve to it. I just want a basic low-high taper. Now using my BABYLISS Gold FX with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch and keeping it consistent, making sure I go over it multiple times so I could get it in that lever open length. Now with the 1 guard open, same thing, going up about a ½ inch, keeping it consistent, flicking out because I don't really want to set a harsh guideline at the top. Now with the 0 guard closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Remember to start below the line and flick to the line. Do not start to the line and flick out, because that will bring your fade up. You want to start below the line, and what you're doing is just getting every other hair. You're not necessarily, you know, trying to bring the fade up. Final step, with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now it's the same concept when you use the 0 guard closed. Same thing, start below the line, flick to the line. Now I'm using my BABYLISS Gold shavers just to make the bottom half razor bald. This adds another transition to your blend. Now as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps. Now after you're done blending, lining up, you want to end this haircut off with a freehand trim. This gets everything laid nice. This will make the waver very happy that he doesn't have these loose frizz hairs sticking up. So always end your cuts with a freehand trim. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the beat, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.